Ace your business lingo. Mastering phrasal verbs in work and business. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a very practical and powerful aspect of English language learning. Phrasal verbs for work and business. This video will help you to not only understand these phrasal verbs but also use them confidently in a variety of professional contexts. To start, let's define what a phrasal verb is. A phrasal verb is a verb followed by a preposition or an adverb, creating a meaning different from the original verb itself. For instance, turn up doesn't mean to rotate upwards. Instead, it means to arrive or appear. In business communication, phrasal verbs are often used, making it important for us to understand and use them correctly. Now, let's dive into some commonly used phrasal verbs in business contexts. 1. To take on. This means to accept or start to deal with something, such as a job or responsibility. For example, Sarah had to take on the project because there was no one else available. 2. To bring up. This means to introduce a topic. For example, during the meeting, Bob brought up the issue of budget cuts. 3. To back up. This means to support or confirm something. For example, I can back up my claims with concrete evidence. Remember, the key to mastering these phrasal verbs is practice. Try using them in sentences and real conversations to become more comfortable. Different work situations call for different phrasal verbs. Let's look at some examples. 1. Negotiations, hold out for, to refuse to agree to something until you get what you want. They're holding out for a better offer. 2. Presentations, point out, to tell someone about some information, often because you believe they do not know it or have forgotten it. In the presentation, he pointed out the key market trends. 3. Meetings, wrap up, to finish or complete something. Let's wrap up this meeting by summarizing the action points. Again, practice using these phrasal verbs in relevant situations to build your confidence and fluency. And that's a wrap for today. We've explored phrasal verbs for work and business, their meanings, and how to use them in different professional situations. I hope you found this video useful, and remember, the best way to master these phrasal verbs is to use them as often as possible. Until next time, keep learning and practicing, and you'll be acing your business lingo in no time.